what Mega Living program will give you, why you should join this program of 30 days Mega Living, what are the benefits you are going to get with the end of this program. So I'll explain these questions with the help of part 3 of chapter 1. Chapter 1 is having 4 parts. Today we are going to cover part 3. Book name is Mega Living, written by Robin Sharma. If you have missed part 1 and part 2, you can go to description box. Links are mentioned over there. Hello everyone, my name is Trivesh and you are watching my YouTube channel Team Learners. So let's learn. Part 3 name is the promise of Mega Living. So what are the promises which Mega Living program is doing to you? Like you will be getting all these things. So we will discuss this promise. I'll tell you this promise with the help of 3 points. Things you need to understand, how Mega Living program is being made, the promises of this program. So first, things you need to know. This program is not a quick fix course. So you cannot expect the results very quickly because this is not a quick fix course. You have to implement the tools of this program in your daily life, and after some time you will start noticing the change in your mind, the way you think. Your mind is the sole author of your success. So as your mind is the sole author of your success, so this program will be running around to the way you think, the way you manage your thoughts. Past experiences, failures and trouble spots have nothing to do with the potential that exists within you. So if you are a kind of person who is stuck in with your past mistakes or past failures, so past mistakes have nothing to do with your potential. Start learning these concepts so that you will be able to manage your past failures, how to overcome from your past mistakes, so that you can do good things, you can do productive things, because you cannot do good unless you feel good. Pain is a teacher. So whenever you are having any kind of pain, so that pain has come to you to just teach you something, just to teach you some lessons. So take those lessons with yourself and move ahead. Second point is how Mega Living program is being made. It is a detailed piece of research prepared by studying the success strategies of successful people for over a 10-year period. So it is a piece of research. After studying the success strategies of successful people, then only this program is being made for over a 10-year of period. They have researched over the success strategies. Mega Living blends latest physical mastery and healthy lifestyle techniques with ancient strategies for mental conditioning and character building to offer a fully balanced knowledge for your mind, body and spirit. So this program will give you complete knowledge for your mind, body and spirit with the help of ancient techniques. Now we are coming to the point, the promises of this program. Thousands of people have already used this program to profoundly improve the quality of their lives, and so can you. So there are so many people who have already used this program and they have improved their life. So can you. Once you truly commit yourself to self-mastery and lifelong success, you will appreciate how easy and fun it is. So once you are stick with this program, once you are applying the tools of this program, you will feel how fun and how easy and fun it was. You will feel more vital and energetic. You will start achieving even more because you cannot do good unless you feel good. So with this program is promising to you that you will start feeling more energetic and vital so that you can do good things. You will see yourself inspired by some great purpose and you will find yourself in a new, great and wonderful world. This program will bring very dramatic result in each of the areas that matter most in your life. You will view the world differently. No longer will you feel that you never have enough time to do the things you love to do. So this program will teach you how to manage your time, how to do the things which you love to do and you're not able to take the enough time. So with the end of this program, you would be able to know how to take the time for your things which you love to do. You will be able to control on your negative thoughts, because negative thoughts will make you feel negative for your life also, and you feel when you feel negative for your life, you cannot do any good or productive work. Successful people are just running their mind more effectively, managing their time more meticulously. They are using the power of knowledge more diligently and living a disciplined and principled life. So successful people are not doing different things. They are doing the same things but differently. They know how to use the power of their knowledge. They know how to use their mind more effectively. They know how to manage their time and how to live a disciplined and principled life. So this program will teach you these things. Once you start to apply the tools of this program, you will also see the results you have hoped for. So whatever the result you are hoping right now from this mega living program, you have to start to apply the tools of this program in your daily life. You will understand the importance of self mastery. You will appreciate that everything is a miracle and life is a special path that we walk on. So this program will teach you, as author told you, that this is not a quick fix program. It will take time. Your mind is the sole author of your success, and this program will teach you how to manage your mind, how to manage your thoughts, and how to view world in a positive way, how to manage your negative thoughts, and how to take out the time for the things which you love to do. If you are not able to manage the time, you will learn how to manage your time, how to use your mind effectively. So these are the promises which this mega living program is doing to you. So this was all about part 3 of chapter 1. If you like this video, please press like button. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. I will be back soon with part 4 of chapter 1. Thank you.